To think that it's Easter Sunday, first day of April, and people are talking about snow?
I know, it's ridiculous, right?
Yeah, it's just insane. But yes, we do. We've got a lot of cold air and a lot of snow, a little bit too much on Easter Sunday, for my opinion. But some rain and showers to come for portions of the south, Reynolds, as that front pushes through.
It certainly is. Yeah, you mentioned your opinion. I think a lot of people would totally agree with you with the crazy weather. We need more rain in Florida. Probably not going to get the amount in South Florida that we desperately need, but we have got plenty of cold air moving into the Great Lakes.
Yeah, plenty of cold air in the Great Lakes and plenty of warm air here out west, too. So a bit of a contrast.
Very true. You know, winter is eventually going to go away, but I promise that day is not going to be today.
Yeah, unfortunately. And so let's get the snowy forecast this morning. A very cold morning across the northern tier of the country. But other than that, and that swipe of precipitation across the middle part, pretty great day for your Easter Sunday across portions of the country. We look at places in the northeast. There is that threat of showers for places into interior New England as well as portions of the mid-Atlantic. But for the most part, at least it's finally feeling like spring in some of these areas. It's been so cold in portions of the northeast so far this year. Now, it's portions of the Midwest that are facing the snow and potential rain showers here. Very cold morning. Look at this. Sunny and beautiful in Minneapolis, but very bitter cold of 36 degrees for your morning there. Not so fun and doesn't feel like April. Across the south, we've got some windy conditions along the coast of Texas. Some clouds here across portions of the south, but Atlanta, sunny and 76 degrees. Now, if that isn't perfect, I don't know what else is. Out in the northwest, Seattle, unfortunately, a very typical April day for you, 49 degrees and rain, but we can see sunshine as we head into Northern California and even Las Vegas. Reynolds, 85 degrees pushing into April. And with the spring-like temperatures that we've got pushing into portions of the south, we are going to having some spring storms push through as we look ahead towards the week. Split flow in the jet stream, stronger winds to the north here, but we've got this southern tier as well. This is going to bring the moisture flow back to portions of the Gulf Coast and even as far north as maybe the central part of Missouri. That warm front and in that area between the dry line and the warm front is where we're going to see the biggest threat for storms as we look ahead towards tomorrow. Some spotty showers, some lightning and thunder might as well come along with it, but look at this moisture stream. Anytime you get those dew points into the high 50s and the 60s, that's when it starts to feel muggy and sticky, right? That also brings the buoyancy in the atmosphere for that threat for severe weather. So this is what it's going to look like. Nothing severe on the map just yet as we look ahead towards tomorrow. But next week, possibly Monday and maybe Tuesday, we could be seeing some stronger storms push through with a cold front that's going to be advancing across the southeast. So from San Antonio up towards Indianapolis, we could be looking at some damaging winds, maybe some spotty hail along with that as well. Outside of that area, can't rule out the possibility for some stronger storms, but right now, it just looks like some spotty severe weather for your Tuesday. Then that front's going to advance off to the east here, so we're seeing those showers push in to places like Atlanta, Raleigh, even as far north as parts of the mid-Atlantic and the northeast. So unfortunately, not the greatest start here for for your month of April, but Reynolds, warmer temperatures for sure, but of course that always brings the threat.